Okay, so we have this B-24 Liberator. It's used by the US Air Force during World War II. It's about 18, more than 18,000 planes of this kind were built during the war. Look at that. This is armed with 10 50 millimeter machine gun. Wow, it's inside. It's meant for the engine. Look at the tire. Rivets. Notice all these plus rivets. It's plus to the skin. There's some a bit protrusion, but maybe just 1 millimeter, which is not significant.